How to use YouTube offline. So if you want to use YouTube offline, there are a couple of things that we can actually do for this. So first of all, YouTube itself is an online app. So if you want to watch videos on YouTube, you need to be connected to the internet. But that's not always the case. You can choose to simply download the video for offline use. So you can see the download button from here, tap on it, and you can choose to download in a medium or a low quality if you want, or for full quality you need to have premium, by the way, so you can use that. But if you're okay with the medium download quality, you can select that, tap the download button, and when you've done that, you can just come to your home page and go to downloads, and these downloads will be available here for 29 days, and after that it will be permanently deleted, by the way. So if these downloaded videos do not need internet connections, so you can also turn on recommended downloads, and basically this will download the videos automatically, and next time you can watch them if you want to. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.